In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add another image to an image in Photoshop. Now, for this example, you just want to open up a file, whatever you're doing, and have a picture ready to go. And to add another image, it's pretty simple. You just go to the folder that you want to take your photo from, and you basically just click and drag and drop it onto your already open project, and that's really it. So here you have two photos, and it's no big deal. You have two separate layers as well, and that's how it kind of goes. Now there's another way to do this. It's different, but if you were to go up to the top left here, you hit File and Open, then you can go and pick another photo, and it'll actually just open a new project with the aspect ratio or the dimensions of that picture that you chose, and just put up a whole new project. So those are the two ways to add an image to a file, but more specifically to add another image to an already open project. Make sure to like the video and subscribe, and look out for some more tips in Photoshop.